Your coastal waters forecast for the WWT 59 listening area.
Never mind, I think WWT 59's phone line right now. I was gonna say WXK3 usually goes off first, and then followed by WWT 59. And this is still on channel 4. So let's review. Zone guard. WR120. Hey. Normal V5. I mean the older V5. 74210 modded V5. 167 on channel 4. Normally it's channel 1, but I forgot I added on channel 4 for some reason. Actually because of last week, but CL100. Let's go over here. V16. V15 on channel 4. And the taped antenna. WR300 V8 on channel 1. Normal. EAR10 and the R1630, which told a guy for 15 minutes. It does weird things ever since TVW switched to 24 hours. BC, this does it 12 hours, no matter what. And then WR400. I believe that's everything. So let's wait for tonight. 6 o'clock.